to my channel. So I just wanted to come on here and show y'all not one but 3 different bomb palettes. So we got the Amrezy Natasha Denona Love palette and the Jaclyn Hill times a Morphe volume 2, and all of them I feel like are like pinky themed. I actually did 3 looks. So this is the one with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes, and yeah. So I actually decided to just do the Morphe look that you guys were in love with and not do the other ones to keep this short and simple. So okay, let's get into it. All the colors are gorgeous in all the palettes, but I'm gonna let you know the formula, what I think of the formulas, and what I think of the price point matched with the formulas. So keep on watching. So here is the Natasha Denona's palette. It's gorgeous. I love the shades. The packaging's sleek and very beautiful. The Amrezy palette is got tons of glitter. It's like Barbie girl. It's got some brights and some nudes, and here's some swatches. Absolutely beautiful colors. That is the first row. Then we have some beautiful pink shades, some brown like terracotta shades, and some fall shades. So yes, we got fall coming up, girl. This is cute. Then of course there's some more shades in the palette that I really like. I feel like anyone could use these colors, and I feel like they're good for all year rounds. But yeah, so beautiful. Ooh yes, that red shade and the peach shade are my fave. Then moving on to the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe volume 2 palette. This is the first row. Basically this was all my favorite colors. Especially that pink girl in the inner corner, so beautiful. And those orangey brown colors, absolutely beautiful. Yes, give me all that shimmer, boo. Rose gold, gold, yellow. Oh, that orange though. Then we got this beautiful row. Ooh, it's speaking my love language. Vibrant oranges, girl. I love it. And that peachy, like, pink coral color. So cute. I really want to, like, just play around with all of them. So maybe we'll do a mixture of everything. But let's get right into it, boo. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the Jaclyn Hill palette really fast. We're gonna start off, I have my eyes super nice and clean. I left on my lip color, but I'm probably gonna change it. I'm gonna start off with our primer, same one we used before. If you're looking for a good primer, girl, you need to get this, okay? Let's go ahead and start off with the color. I'm gonna do Therapy Sesh to start off, and I'm just going to start off putting that right in, which is like this pretty purple color, if you can see me good. So I'm just going to focus that color right above at the top and not getting it on my lid. This is Therapy Sesh, and this is Monkey Journey. I mean, what? Not my journey. Did I really call it Monkey Journey? Not my journey. Okay. I'm gonna concentrate that more here too. Oh my gosh, yes, this is my favorite already. This palette is by far my favorite already. So now I'm just going to cut the crease. I'm using this Pro to Fit eyeshadow primer by Pharmacy. And here I'm just applying Tipsy Girl, which is like a really beautiful hot pink shade, and I'm using a flat shading brush. This is a Tarte brush that I got like a while ago. It was with like the Unicorn collection, super cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply that all over on the outer portion of my lid, and then we're gonna go in with an orange in the inside, which I'm so excited for that part. And the color we're using is My Man. That's the neon orange, and there is a lot of fallout with this palette when you're trying to pack on and make it to where the colors are vibrant, but that's an easy fix. Just clean it up, as you'll see that we're gonna do. So the most important part for me is to just pack on that color, so I'm going back in with Tipsy Girl, so it's nice and beautifully blended between the 2 neons, or 3 neons I should say. For the bottom, I took both of the purple shades and I kind of made like a wing liner on the very bottom, which you guys went crazy for, but this is how I did it. I used a shader brush and just concentrated the color on the outer edge. And then I'm taking that same pink and orange in the middle or inner quarter of my eye on the lower lash line to match the top. Oh yeah. All right. Now we're going to use our concealer, same thing we used before, just to kind of sharpen and clean up. And need to sharpen this.
Hola.
Okay, now we're going to clean up and sharpen the edge here. Yes. So this part is super important because this is what gives me that sharp look at the bottom and really makes it look like I did a color wing at the bottom. And honestly, this is really good to do with all your looks because it's just going to clean it up and make it look so much better, more professional. Make sure the color that you use is close to your skin tone or at least matches the under eye, and then you can always blend it in as well. It also makes your photos look so good too and look super sharp. As I just blend it in, tap it in with my finger a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so here is the finished look I did with the Jaclyn Hill palette. The Jaclyn Hill palette times Morphe Volume 2, this is her second one, is definitely my favorite. I did like a reverse liner with the purple because it's just darker on the bottom, so it's kind of like a reverse liner because she did that in one of hers, so I kind of did that. I wanted to do that. And then the lippy I'm wearing is 227 liner by Pharmacy with 02 liquid lipstick, which I think is mauve pink. No, is that right? And then I put the MAC, the same highlight that I used for all three looks, the MAC Snow Flushed Extra Dimension Skin Finish, I put on my lips. And I just kind of dabbed it on to make it kind of like, you know, chromey looking, but it's matte. The colors I used again were Therapy Sesh, Not My Journey, I used My Man, and Tipsy Girl. These are very neon. They're all super neon colors, and I am so excited. I don't know if you can see how neon they are. Here, let me see if I can go up close. Yep. They're all extremely neon colors. This is not looking as neon as it actually is on the eye. It's like, yeah, but I really like this whole vibe, this look. These lashes are so extra, girl. I never wear lashes like this, but for this look, I just had to go all out. So my favorite palette out of all three, definitely the Jaclyn Hill palette. You get colors that I feel like are way different from her other palettes that she has, and worth it 100%. It's only $39. Like, girl, get you one. And then they also have, I think, Afterpay with it if you need. This whole look is, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram and follow me on my blog, or subscribe to my blog, luxlips.com. And yeah, I'll have everything linked below in the description. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video. My fingers are so neon from all the swatches, all the pinks and purples and oranges in these palettes. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Yay, and it's time to announce the 2K subscriber giveaway, and the winner is Nicole Gaines. Congratulations, girl. Thanks for subscribing and all the love. You win one of these beautiful palettes, so hopefully you can do this look. And thanks for watching. See y'all in my next video. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and follow me. And check out my video I have linked for you right at the top. And of course, luxlips.com if you want to see more lifestyle and beauty inspiration.